Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Hello students, today we are going to see a chapter from Science and Technology part 2. Name of the chapter number 1, part 1st, about heredity and evolution. In this particular topics, we are going to see what is heredity, and there are certain terms, that is transcription, translation and translocation. Coming out to the very first term, heredity. Heredity means what? We get certain characters from our parents. That is called as hereditary characters. So the passing of certain physical or mental characteristics genetically from one generation to another is called as heredity. Now these characters are transferred through genes, and these genes are present in the structure of DNA. Now, we know that our body is made up of many cells. So cells are said to be the fundamental unit of our life. Now these cells perform work, and to do that work, it requires energy. This energy is provided by the proteins which we are having in our diet. Now these proteins has to be synthesized or has to be converted into simpler substance. This protein synthesis is carried out in 3 stages. The first stage is called as transcription. The second stage is called as translation, and the third stage is called as translocation. Now these proteins are synthesized by DNA through the RNA, and this is called as central dogma. Now this DNA consists of 2 strands, as we are seeing in the earlier picture, of which only one strand is used for this process. The RNA polymerase unwinds the DNA and builds mRNA. This is the initial stage where the mRNA is formed. The sequence of nucleotides in mRNA being produced is complementary to DNA strands. This process of RNA synthesis is called transcription. That is, in this stage, a copy of one strand of DNA is formed. Now, the mRNA brings the coded message from DNA for amino acids, which has to be converted into simpler substance. This code consists of 3 nucleotides. It is called as triplet codon. As per the message on mRNA, tRNA produces anticodons, which are complementary sequence to the codons on mRNA. This is called as translation. So in translation, the message from the mRNA is transferred to the tRNA, which produces anticodon for it. The last stage is called as translocation. The amino acids which are brought in by tRNA are bounded together by the peptide bond with the help of rRNA. The ribosomes keeps on moving from one end of mRNA to the other end by the distance of triplet codon. This is called translocation. So in this part, we have completed transcription, translation and translocation.